Pakistan fans, you've waited a long, long time for this moment. Take it all in.
Wonderful, clinical, calm chase from Pakistan. The win by 10 wickets is the first time they won a T20 international by 10 wickets.
Set it up, and Rizwan and Father Azan finished it off and finished it in some style.
What a bowler. What a wonderful bowler the Shaheen Shah Afridi is. Pakistan just seemed to produce his left hand quicks who could swing the ball. Yes, we're walking out there to shake hands with the Pakistan players. MS Dhoni, and now the celebrations will begin. And these are celebrations that are much deserved. They've waited, as you said, for a very long time to be able to do this.
बड़ी तो लानत पैनी है कि
Pakistan's style. They usually have a stumble. They usually have a run out. They usually have a shumble.
और मरी गल पाकिस्तान पहला मैच जीते उन्होंने कप.
This is not the Pakistan we know. This has been clinical. This has been sharp. This has been a team together.
You talked about all that happened in the build-up to this game. If there's one team that won't be bothered by all that's happening around, it would be Pakistan. I actually believe the two teams not going to Pakistan strengthened them, allowed them to play a lot of domestic cricket, allowed them to pick people like Fahad Zaman, like Haider Ali and all these younger players in.